Welcome to day 3 of the GB EV Rally. I'm EV Keith, otherwise known more normally as Keith Freeman from Drivetech, driver training partner to the GB EV Rally. Today I want to focus on driving style. Many of the fuel saving methods you can deploy driving a conventional vehicle can also be used driving an EV. I know this sounds obvious, but keep to posted speed limits. Just creeping a little over the speed limits can reduce your range. When you're driving, extend your depth of vision. What I mean by that is look well ahead, identify areas where there are traffic cues, hold-ups, such as traffic lights. If you're approaching a red traffic light, don't join the queue ahead. Look at roundabouts, plan when you're going to arrive to try and keep the vehicle on the move. When you're following in queues of traffic, be a leader of the queue, don't be a follower in someone else's queue, because otherwise when the queue slows down, you will need to slow down immediately behind that queue and then have to accelerate to pick up speed. Try to hold back so that you can keep your pace as even as possible. So this leads me into acceleration. When we do need to accelerate, make sure that it's smooth and progressive rather than harsh. When we brake, again, plan well ahead. Make use of regenerative modes on your vehicle so that it gives you one pedal control. This way you're going to maximize the charge that you're putting back into your battery. On a motorway, try to stick to a speed that is lower than the posted speed limit of 70 miles per hour. Ideally, if you're not in too much of a hurry, then 60 miles an hour, keeping up with the pace of trucks, is absolutely ideal. That will maximize your range. In colder or hotter weather, try to precondition the vehicle so that you're not using air conditioning. Heat the driver, not the car. Make use of your heated seats and your heated steering wheel to keep yourself warm. What I do advocate is making sure the driver is comfortable. That is overriding factor, because if you're uncomfortable, then you will affect your concentration levels. See you at Rockingham and of course at the end of the day in Milton Keynes.